Gonna make pizza today. Got some whole wheat flour, chopping up some broccoli, a little bit of tomatoes,
Onions,
chopping up some onions,
lots of cheese,
and some pineapple.
and cheese.
See this in a minute. Here's the pizza pan.
Yeah.
Got the holes in it. Spray it down.
A little bit.
Let it stick. Bada bing, bada boom. How are you supposed to do this? Without messing it up.
I don't know, you just keep going at it. Just play with it. The dough is like clay. I mean, you can do whatever you want with it, really. You know, just...
You let it sit for how
Yeah.
long?
I don't know, until it looks like it fills up the space a little better. And it gets a little, thicker, like. It rises as the yeast does its thing.
I'll give it some time.
Yeah, like 5-10 minutes. I don't think you leave it a long time, just so the warmth of the thing gets on it. A little
Oil on the pizza.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get soggy.
Gravy I made the other day, so it's always good.
Homemade gravy.
Homemade gravy with onions and peppers and...
It's good to me.
Got some weight to it, I'll tell you that. Way up there, yeah. I mean, I could put it on 500, but it's like 475. And I think that's good. I'll let it sit, see how hot it is.
So I can see the steam coming off her.
Nice done crust.
That's how you do it.
Maybe $3, but it makes what? How many pieces?